What's going on, everybody? It's L&M back with another detail. We got this red maroon Lexus. We're doing a touchless outside exterior wash combined with our basic interior on this vehicle.
First time on the channel, guys. We are going to show you guys something we do offer, which is headlight restoration. All right, guys, we've done this before, but we got some new viewers in here. I'm just going to kind of show you everything we're going to be using today. So starting on the outside, we've got this touchless wash by Chemex, and we just recently started using this. We're still learning it, but it works fantastic. And then moving on over here, we got this protector wax from Chemi. This stuff is amazing. It is awesome. Go look at our last video where we used this stuff. It is great. Before we put on the stars and stripes, what me and Levi have been doing is just going ahead and spraying the wheels with our iron and our alkali wheel cleaner. Moving over to interior stuff. Total Interior Cleaner by Chemical Guys is great. Smells good, guys, and really gets everything off there. Chemical Guys Tire Shine, smells good, works. Chemical Guys New Car Smell, I recommend this stuff. It smells amazing. And then obviously, whatever glass clean you want to use, just remember tinted windows, try and use them on you free. Water. Well, we haven't posted last video, but we did do a vehicle in the same exact spot here by the water, downtown Murphy. Pretty sweet if you guys ask me. Oh dude, thing's wanting to rip this morning.
everybody. We just finished up on the interior of this Lexus. Turned out fabulous. I really liked it. It was pretty simple. It was pretty easy to clean with the carpets, as you'll tell in the video. But we've left some nice stripes, you know, our floor mats around the
steering wheel,
and all that. Looks perfect. Smells great with that new car scent. And now we're gonna hit the outside of this. I believe with what we got with the protection wax and the stars and stripes, I feel like this paint's gonna come out like Mikey said. So, and also we're gonna hit these headlights. So Mikey's done this before. I'm really excited to see how it turns out. Here we go.
We got the police officer out here watching us, so
Just in case we got too many fans coming, you know, we don't want no one messing up someone's vehicle. So we had to get our personal.
Yeah, he's our security guard for the day. That's what it was, like. Alright guys, we're all finished up. Once again, thank you for clicking on the video. We were able to revive those headlights a little bit. That wax, once again, made that car look amazing.
The product was amazing. We love using it. Also, we want to give a shout out to the place we are at. It's Townsend Used Auto Sales.
Yeah.
So he lets us come up here. washes cars for people around here, and if you're looking for a vehicle while getting yours clean, I mean, you can go talk to him. He's right inside. He's a great dude. But anything else?
I think that's it, guys.
Alrighty. Well, I think that's a wrap. Like and subscribe on the video. Comment. Talk to us and tell us what you want more of the content. We'll try our best to give it to y'all.